held me back when I tried to move on from your life.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I am so happy that you are here. Today we are going to be doing some cleaning. It's going to be a normal after dark clean with me, as well as some decluttering, but I'm also going to be really quickly sharing a life update. It's a pretty major life update. A lot of you guys have noticed I've been a little MIA and some different things on Instagram, and I want to say thank you so much for those of you that have reached out. It means a lot. So I'm going to share that, and then we are going to get into the cleaning. I wanted to do a little sit down portion in today's video because since I'm going to be talking about a major life update, I do not want to just include that in a voiceover. It feels super impersonal. So a lot of you guys, I feel like already know what is coming. You already know what the life change is. A lot of you guys have already asked me on Instagram. Some of you guys have already asked me on here. And I've just been waiting until it has been some time. Everything has kind of settled a little bit and it's not so fresh. I wanted to take time to process. And I also want to say that I'm not going to say a whole lot. I'm going to keep things very surface level, very simple, and I will not be answering a lot of personal questions about the matter. I just want to keep everything pretty private, very simple for everyone involved, especially our kids. So Kyle and I are getting a divorce. This wasn't a quick decision. This wasn't anything that just randomly happened. Has been a long time coming and got to be where it was a very toxic situation, and I had to make the best decision for me and the kids ultimately. That's all I'm going to say. Like I said, I want to keep things super simple. Do not want to go into too much detail. I don't want drama online. I know a lot of times people post craziness about their relationships on the internet, and that is not what you are going to find from me. I'm just simply allowing you guys to know that part of my life so that when you don't see him in my videos, on my Instagram, things like that, family vacation, anything that I film and show, you guys know why, but I'm not including the internet on anything going on in our lives, especially, like I said, for the kids' sake. So that is all I'm going to say about that. We are going to get back into this video. I want to still make today's video motivating, somewhat positive. Like I said, I am in a very different place than I was at first. So I wanted to wait a little bit of time so that I had time to process things and I wasn't coming on here when everything was super raw, super fresh. I know people are going to run in crazy directions with assumptions, thoughts, different things, and that is all fine. I know the truth, and that's all that matters at this point for me moving forward. And also keep in mind that this is true about all things, all situations, all people that you watch online, whether it be on Instagram, on YouTube. Just keep in mind that you are seeing a tiny sliver of someone's day. So you're never going to be able to gather what a situation is like, what someone's life is like from those very short clips. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind for everyone you watch. With everything, it's so easy to think that you have the full picture, you know the person, you feel like you know the person. Trust me, I do it with people I watch as well. You feel like you really know a person or a situation from watching them online, and that just is not always the case.
Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. I will never touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down.
I am very happy that I was able to share this with you guys because I just feel like something has felt off with me when I've been sharing on Instagram, even on here. If something is going on, I just cannot be open and honest with you guys if you are missing such a big piece of information. And I like sharing things with you guys. I like sharing struggles. I like sharing good things. I like sharing cleaning and positivity, and I plan to do all of those things still. But I feel like you guys now know more of what's been going on in my life and what my life is now. I'm glad that now I can kind of be more open with you guys, more honest, and you guys know what's going on. On this day, the kids had Chick-fil-A as well as a ton of snacks, and I was taking a magic eraser on our table to clean it off, and then Easton went over and was noticing that he had left his chips and he did not know where they went. I had moved them.
Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let me touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down.
My biggest focus right now is just the kids and myself, as it should be, and so with that I'm just trying to really do my best to protect them as far as putting things out there for, you know, them to potentially see in the future is definitely not in their best interest. Just going to be keeping that all very simple. After they had went to bed on this night, I was doing some decluttering. I was noticing it was getting kind of annoying to go and put the dishes away, so I wanted to go through, do a good declutter, and only keep the things that I was using.
All you do is bother me. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I just wanna run. I just wanna hide. I just wanna be on my own sometimes. Don't you ever say that I didn't try. Don't you ever say that you don't know why. I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. It's too late. There's no way that we can fix it now. Stay away from me.
All of this has also kind of explained my absence on Instagram a little bit. We have had a lot going on, obviously, but some of that is just my normal chaotic life with 4 kids. I would do that all the time, here and again. Some days are just way more crazy busy than others. So, you know, I just really want to thank you guys for those of you who have reached out, have said you're praying for us, even though you don't know what's going on. And it just means so much that I have this community, that you guys always show up for me, and you guys are always checking on me, and you guys are just always so sweet. So I just want to say thank you so much. Just have already been getting messages on what's going on, and you hope I'm doing okay, and the kids are doing okay, and we are all doing okay. And I just want to say thank you so much for reaching out.
Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Don't you tell me that I didn't try. Tell me that I didn't try. Tell me that I didn't try. Don't you say that. Don't you say you don't know why. Don't you say you don't know why. Don't you say it. I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I just wanna run. I just wanna hide. I just wanna be on my own sometimes. I'm saying goodbye. Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye.
I'm staying in bed thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust. Should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me, yeah.
Just for the sake of what I actually use, and I can reach these, I'm pretty short, so I wanted to make sure that I could reach them. I got all my lids, only the cups that I use, and I've been using mason jars lately for my coffee, so I got those there. And all of this stuff I'm getting rid of because some of them I still like, but I do not use them. And that is something that when I was trying to be more minimal, I had to start thinking about, was not only do I like it, do I use it? Because I felt myself holding on to things just because, you know, for example, I was like, oh, I still like this cup. Never do I ever use it. And then that's how you end up with way too many things.
Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was gold, and you gotta know I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, but I'm waking up now. I didn't know that I need you. Waking up now. You gotta know that I need you.
And I also want to say, I know that a lot of you guys are going to have a ton of questions. Some of you guys may be very shocked by this. Some of you may not. And regardless, like I said, I know a lot of people will have questions, and that is totally fine. If you guys want to leave questions below, you definitely always can. I just don't know how much I will be willing to share. If it pertains to my life, most likely I will answer it. If not, and it pertains more to our situation, then I probably will not. Like I said, I just want to keep everything very simple, not involved, and I just do not believe social media is the place for that.
Ain't playing it low-key, baby. I'll bring you right back home. And oh, it dawned on me. Yeah, yes it did. Not letting you go, 'cause what we had was gold, and you gotta know I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud. I'm waking up now. I didn't know that I need you. Waking up now. You gotta know that I need you. I'm waking up now. Waking up now. Waking up now. Want you to know that I need you. I got blood on my hands right now.
I showed this in my last video in Jay's new house, but I love, love, love using the Dawn Power Wash on the stove now. It works so well. I love it on the stove grates, on the stove. I seriously use Dawn Power Wash for everything now. Let me know if you guys like using it, but it just works so dang well.
We can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it.
And then I just wanted to really quickly go in with my Bona mop and just do a really quick mop of the whole main area. I do this a lot of days and a lot of nights because there's just a lot of stickiness that goes around our house, and if I don't do this, then I'm always finding stuff, and it's just so much quicker than getting out the mop.
I could have stayed the night. I could have called you mine. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night.
And then over in this foyer, I needed to get all this stuff picked up, which Ellery was playing doctor's office, and I let her kind of have all this stuff out over here. But the reason why I wanted to get it picked up is because there were chips everywhere throughout here. Easton brought his chips over here, and there were chip crumbs, so I was using the Tinco, which I absolutely love. I use this thing every single night because it just is so quick and easy. And then I do go and use the Bona as well. It's just a different mop. The Tinco is really good for getting all that food. As you could see, there's so much stuff in that earlier. And then I just wanted to go in my bedroom really quickly and put away all of my laundry that I had washed today. I was doing it in the same day, which, y'all, I think this is a record. I don't know that I've ever put my laundry away on the same day I washed it.
Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night. I could have called you mine. I can't be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this heart, then
the last thing I was gonna do on this night was do just a really quick clean in my bathroom, and I wanted to get in there and do a much better deep clean, but it was getting late and I just ended up doing a really quick clean. I also wanted to talk about something that I shared on Instagram because I had made this reel tonight, and it was basically just saying how, you know, sometimes you feel like you had a really good day with your kids and then you start thinking about all these things that you could have done better or that you didn't do. And I just want to say, I know I have caught myself in that like mom guilt trap, and I just want you guys to know that you are doing enough. Your kids do not need a perfect Pinteresty mom. It's great if you are the Pinteresty mom, but if you don't always feel like you do enough, you definitely do. Your kids do not need a perfect mom. They just need you. So I just want to give you that little reminder if you don't feel like you did enough today. And spending too much time working or cleaning, I get myself feeling guilty about things like that too. So that can be tough. And this was actually the next day, but I wanted to very quickly just go through and wipe my cabinets down and then wipe down my appliances. And this was a shorter video, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Like I said, I wanted to share that update with you guys so that I could just kind of move forward and be able to be more open and honest with you guys now. Y'all kind of know what is going on. So I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed my dancing right there. And if you guys are new, would love for you to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
change this story.